Baklava is a delightful sweet treat with layers of flaky phyllo pastry, nuts, and syrup or honey. Here's a traditional recipe to make baklava. Ingredients. For the baklava: 1 pound about 450 grams phyllo pastry sheets, thawed if frozen. 2. 1½ cups mixed nuts such as walnuts, pistachios, almonds, finely chopped or ground. 3. 1 cup unsalted butter, melted. 4. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional. 5 teaspoon ground cloves, optional. For the syrup: 1 cup granulated sugar. 2. 1 cup water. 3 3/4 cup honey. 4. 1 cinnamon stick. 5 3/4 whole cloves. 6. 1/2 teaspoons lemon juice. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a baking dish or pan, usually a 9 by 13 inch pan, with some melted butter. Prepare the syrup by combining sugar, water, honey, cinnamon stick, and cloves in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10–15 minutes until slightly thickened. Remove from heat, add lemon juice, and let it cool. Once cooled, discard the cinnamon stick and cloves. Mix the chopped nuts with ground cinnamon and cloves if using, in a bowl. Place a sheet of phyllo pastry into the greased baking dish, brushing it generously with melted butter. Repeat this process, layering sheets of phyllo and butter until you have about 8–10 sheets layered. Spread a portion of the nut mixture evenly over the layered phyllo sheets. Add another layer of phyllo pastry, brushing each sheet with butter as before. Repeat this process until you have used about half of the phyllo sheets. Spread the remaining nut mixture over this layer and continue layering the remaining phyllo sheets on top, brushing each sheet with melted butter. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut the baklava into diamond or square-shaped pieces. Make sure to cut all the way through the layers. Place the prepared baklava into the preheated oven and bake for about 45–55 minutes or until golden brown and crisp. Once done, remove the baklava from the oven and immediately pour the cooled syrup evenly over the hot baklava. Allow it to cool completely and absorb the syrup before serving. Baklava is best served at room temperature and can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for several days. Enjoy this delicious sweet pastry as a delightful dessert or treat.